In this video, I'll show you how to make profile picture for Facebook page. So what you need to do, you need to have the profile picture you want to use for your Facebook page in mind. So I need to create a Facebook page for yourself. So I'm going to just open up my page. So this is my Facebook page, Yogi Education, for just educational purposes. I'm going to click on this plus. I'm going to click on allow access. So once I allow access, I'm going to be able to select the profile picture I want to use for my page. So I'm going to just come on here. I'll click on. Okay, so once you have fully allowed us, you can be able to select the profile picture you want to use for your page. So let me say if I want to use, I'm going to just click on save. Just for educational purposes only. So once it saves up, I'm going to be able to set my own Facebook profile page picture. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. So this is it. So you can see it. This is how it's gonna appear.